Hello student, welcome to all of you in the next week's lecture. Myself Rajesh Lagat, physics teacher, Sri Shivaji Vidya Mandir Aund. Now I have to see here the first chapter, the measurement, and in this chapter we have to see here the application of the dimension, that are the uses of the dimension. Uses of the dimension. The second use we have to see here to determine the conversion factor between the two units, to determine the conversion factor, between the two units of the same physical quantity. Two units between this physical quantity must be the same physical quantity. Okay, this is the second application of the dimension. You know that well, the dimension, that is the powers which rises up to which the obtain the unit of that fundamental units is called as the dimension of that physical quantity. First application is to check the truthness of the given physical equation, like the kinematical equation V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus 1 half AT square, or third one is the V square is equal to U square plus twice AS, just like this. But this one is the very important to determine the conversion factor between the two units of the same physical quantity. First we have to see the first example, 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to 5 dyne, like this. The second one example is that we have to show that 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to 7 ergs. Okay, this is the second example we have to solve here. The 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to 7 ergs. How it can be the solid? For that purpose we have to write here the joule and the erg, that unit of the physical quantity, same physical quantity, that is the work. Therefore we have to consider the physical quantity. We have to first consider the physical quantity work. Okay, because we know that the SI unit and CGS unit of that work is nothing but what? Joule and the ergs. Therefore we have to consider the physical quantity work. Now the SI unit of this work is what? Is joule. Okay, we have to write this joule. And the CGS unit of that work is nothing but what? This is nothing but the erg. Then we have to write here the dimension of that physical quantity, that is the work, that is the dimension of the work. And you know that well. What is the dimension of the work? That are L2, M1 and the T minus 2. Okay, this is the dimension of the work. Suppose we have to say here how it can be find out. Then you know that the work is nothing but what? This is the product of force into displacement. Then again we have to see here what is the force. Force is nothing but that is the mass into acceleration, and acceleration is nothing but the L by T square, and this is nothing but the displacement L. From this we can write here L into L square. Then this is nothing but the M1, and take this upward side, that is the T minus 2. So this is the dimension of the work. We have to solve it. Okay, now we have to write here this conversion factor is supposed to be the X. Therefore we have to write here, let X be the conversion factor. X be the conversion factor between this two unit. Okay, X is the conversion factor between the two units. Therefore we have to see here how this conversion factor we can be the find out. Okay, then we have to see here to find out the X. We can write let X erg is equal to 1 joule. We have to write here, because here the 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to 7 ergs. Where to find out this conversion factor, that is the 10 raised to 7. Just like the 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, that is the 10 raised to 2 is the conversion factor. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, 10 raised to 3 is the conversion factor. Like this, we have to find out this 10 raised to 7, this is the conversion factor. Okay. Therefore, we have to write here, this is the supposed to be the x be the conversion factor in between the two units of the same physical quantity work. Therefore, x erg is equal to 1 joule. Okay, x erg is equal to 1 joule. Then we have to write a dimension on the both sides. Write the dimension on both sides. Then we have to write the dimension of this work like this. X as it is. Okay. Then dimension of the work is nothing but L2, M1 and T minus 2. Then 1 as it is. Again, dimension of the work are the same. L2, M1 and T minus 2. Okay. Then we have to find out this conversion factor X. Remember this ergs is nothing but what? This is the CGS unit. This remember, CGS unit. And this joule, this is nothing but the SI unit, that is the MKS unit. Okay, MKS for your, remember this MKS or SI unit. Then we have to write here this X into bracket, this L, that is the fundamental quantity, that length, which can be the measured in CGS unit, that is the centimeter square. L raised to 2, that is centimeter raised to. Mass is measured in CGS unit, that is the gram raised to 1. And time is measured in second raised to minus 2. Okay. Again, 1 is as it is. This is the length, mass and time, but it's what? MKS unit. That is, length is measured in SI unit, that is the meter, again square raised to 2, therefore meter square. Mass is measured in SI unit, that is the kilogram, and this is nothing but raised to power 1. And again, the time is nothing but the second raised to minus 2. Then we have to find out the value of this X. Therefore, this term, take this side, which is divide 1. Okay. You remember that the erg is the CGS unit. Therefore, we have to take here length is measured in centimeter, mass is measured in gram, and time is measured in second. Here, joule is the MKS unit, and so that we can write here length is measured in meter square, mass is measured in kilogram, and time is measured in seconds raised to minus 2. Therefore, we have to find out the X is equal to, X is nothing but what? Then we have to write here this one as it is. Then this meter raised to 2, kilogram raised to 1, and this second raised to minus 2. I will take this bracket, one bracket. Okay, meter raised to 2, kilogram raised to 1, second raised to minus 2. Divide by this term, this centimeter raised to 2, then this gram raised to 1, and second raised to minus 2. Then you have to see here, the second raised to minus 2, it should be get cancelled. And then this meter square, here centimeter square, here kilogram, here's gram. Then we have to convert this, you know well this. Then we have to write here X is equal to 1 is as it is, 1 as it is, okay. And this meter, we have to write here the meter square. You know that this 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, okay. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 1 meter square is equal to 100 into 100, that is centimeter square. 100 into 100, that is centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. There we have to convert this meter into centimeter, that is 100 into 100 centimeter square upon centimeter square. Okay. Then kilogram, 1000 gram raised to 1 upon gram raised to 1, and this second raised to minus 2, that should be the cancel. Therefore, it is into the 1 upon 1. Okay, we have to write here 1 upon 1 like this. Remember this, meter convert into centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, but 1 meter square is equal to 100 into 100, that is centimeter into centimeter, that is the centimeter square. Here is simply kg, kilogram. Therefore, kilogram is converted into the gram, that is the 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, is gram raised to 1 upon gram raised to 1. So that this gram gram, it should be cancelled. Centimeter square, it should be also get cancelled. Then again here, this 100 into 100, then into this 1000 into 1. Okay, then we can write this in such a way that 110 raised to 2 into this 110 raised to 2 into 100, this 1000, that is the 10 raised to 3, that is the 1. That is total is nothing but base same, multiplication, addition of the power. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7, that is the 10 raised to 7. This x is equal to 10 raised to 7. This is the conversion factor between the two units. Understand this, how we can find out the conversion factor between the two units of the same physical quantity. That means two units, the earth, joule and the earth, SI unit, CGS unit. Conversion factor is the 10 raised to 7, and the same physical quantity, that is the work, is the same physical quantity. Therefore, we can find out this conversion factor, x is equal to 10 raised to 7. Then we can substitute here this conversion factor, the x ergs is equal to 1 joule. Therefore, we can write here 1 joule is equal to x ergs. Instead of this erg, x, we have to write here the 10 raised to 7 ergs. 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to 7 ergs, and hence the proof 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to 7 ergs. In this way, we can find out the conversion factor between the two units of the same physical quantity. You understand this better? Okay, let's stop here. The next point is in the next lecture. Thank you.